Hopefully, I won't regret this decision. Right? Right?
Roll the intro.
So about a month ago, I talked about how I was interested in game development. At that time, I was pretty excited. But now, I'm starting to question my life choices. At first, I thought it would be easy as step 1, watch a tutorial. Step 2, do what the tutorial tells you. Step 3, become a millionaire after your first launch. But it wasn't that simple. The learning part was so hard. One of the things I had to do was learn C# from scratch. If C# was basically the language Unity Engine uses. I did have some coding experience back in high school, but back then I wasn't good at coding. Like, I was good, but not that good. Learning the basics of C# was actually fun, at the beginning at least. Oh, shout out to Vegetarian Zombie. He had a 24-part series over at his channel teaching you the basics of C#. They were pretty easy to understand, and I think I did a pretty good job myself. One of the things I hated about watching YouTube tutorials is when they show you the code and just don't explain it. They be like, okay guys, I'm gonna make a GTA 7 in 60 seconds. This is the code, don't worry about it. It's easy to understand, I promise you. Congratulations, you just made GTA 7 before GTA 6 got released. Like, it can be annoying sometimes, but once you get the hang of the coding part, it can actually be easy to identify what the code means. Most of the time, and I'm saying most of the time. By most, I mean like 20% of the time. The other 80% you actually don't know what you're being shown. Another thing that was annoying were the errors. For me, they were caused by either a few missing things, like a comma, equal sign, or a semicolon. Most of the time, the semicolon. Other times, I had to use Google Lens to find out what the errors meant and how to fix them. Most of the time, it wasn't even my fault. Like, I was using version 6 of Unity, and the guy in the tutorial could be using maybe version 2022. I'd copy the code word for word, bar for bar, but for some reason, there was an error. There was this one time I was writing code, and by writing, I mean copy and pasting everything I saw on YouTube. So there was this line which wrote velocity something. So I wrote velocity something, but for some reason there was an error. I thought maybe it was an error on my end, maybe I did something to the code, like maybe there was something missing from the code. So I did try a few tweaks, but nothing was working. So I used Google Lens to figure out what was going on, and turns out the velocity was a code in Unity 2022. And since I was using version 6 of Unity, instead of writing velocity, I was supposed to write linear velocity. Like, why would the Unity devs change code like that? That's like changing math, saying 1 + 1 = 11. Why would you do that? Besides the crazy amount of errors, it was pretty satisfying watching something actually work. Now, am I going to quit? No! Why would I quit because of some minor setbacks? Like, I wasn't really intending on quitting in the first place. I am going to become the game dev king, eventually. Next time I'm going to be showing prototype projects that I've been working on for the last month or so. I'm still working on them now, but hopefully in a couple of weeks, I'll release a video. Hopefully. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time on